Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Today I will discuss with you about rational numbers. In the previous class we have learned about rational numbers, their properties and their representation on the number line. We have also learnt about the conversion of rational numbers into decimals and vice versa. In this chapter, we will begin with quick recall of what we have learnt earlier. Topics like finding a rational number between two rational numbers and higher logic word problems are few which we will discuss in detail. First of all, we will understand the definition of rational numbers. So what is rational number? A number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0 is called a rational number. As for example, 2 upon 7 is a rational number. Why? Because it is in the form of P upon Q. 4 by 5 is also a rational number because of it is in the form of P upon Q. Minus 3 by 8, 2, minus 4, 0 are all rational number. If you will see 2 is a rational number, but you are not looking in the denominator of 2 any number, but in the denominator of 2 also we can take 1. We can take in the denominator of 2 what? 1 we can take, then it will become also in the form of P upon Q. Minus 4, in the minus 4 also in the denominator we can write 1. So minus 4 is also in the form of P upon Q, so it will be a rational number. 0 in the denominator of 0 also we can write 1 and it will become in the form of P upon Q, so 0 will be also a rational number. We students, we should remember always that in the denominator it will not be 0, because according to definition, if we will see here, Q does not equal to 0. If we will take in the denominator of 2 0, so 2 by 0 it will become infinity, minus 4 by 0 it will become infinity. Therefore, we can't take 0 in the denominator. Now, come on the integer. If we will see, every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. Every natural number is a rational number, but not vice versa. Every whole number is a rational number, but not vice versa. You can understand natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers from this diagram also. Natural number, all you know, counting number is called natural number, like 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Whole number, natural number along with 0 are called whole numbers. Integers, what is integers? All positive, negative numbers including 0 are called integers. So every natural number will be rational number. Every whole numbers will be rational number. Every integers will be rational number. But every rational number will not be integers, will not be whole numbers, will not be natural numbers. Student, I hope you have revised definition of rational number. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.